So what is Elevation Call? Elevation Call is Hal and Lisa's Sunday night training that we've been doing for over 3.5 years. And then when we fell in love and started building this business together, started doing Zoom meetings and really enjoyed the Sunday night Zoom. So it's expanded and grown, but it's always stayed with the main purpose. And that is to focus on elevating your business. It used to be called the Jeep Call because one of the focus points of business growth with Zalease is earning your Jeep and then helping the members on your team to earn their Jeep as well. So the more Jeeps that you have in your team, the more successful you are in Zalease, and the more income that you earn personally, but also success is based on paying it forward to help others. It's all about elevation.